The first step to running a SwimCloud Meet on the SST is to create a shared folder for the Meet. This folder needs to be accessible to the SST computer. If you are running SwimCloud Meet on a separate computer, make sure that computer can read this folder. Open the SwimCloud Meet app and type the name of the Meet. This is the main screen for SwimCloud Meet. Click the SwimCloud logo or the Meet name at any time to return. Next, click on the Time System button and select Superior Swim Timing. Click on the Select Folder button. Select the Meet folder that you just created. We suggest creating a new folder for each Meet. Please do not reuse folders. Next, click on the Export Schedule button. This will create the event list in the Meet folder for the SST to read. Then, select the Scoreboard button and click on the Download Start List button. Doing so will create scoreboard files with names for the SST. Save this zipped file on your computer. Unzip the contents of this folder and copy the files to the Meet folder we created earlier. These .scb files need to be saved in the root directory of the Meet folder so that the SST can read them. You're now ready to run your Meet. Good luck. Swim fast.